Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuits at home for babies. Making homemade biscuits for your little one is a rewarding experience, ensuring they get wholesome goodness. We will start by gathering our simple ingredients. You will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of cold butter, and about 1/2 cup of milk. A pinch of baking powder helps create a lovely, soft texture perfect for tiny mouths. Now, let's get our hands a little messy and mix the dough. First, whisk together your flour and baking powder in a large bowl. Next, cut in the 4 tablespoons of cold butter using a pastry blender or your fingertips until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Slowly pour in about 1/2 cup of milk, mixing gently until the dough just comes together. Remember, less handling means more tender biscuits. With our dough ready, it is time to shape and bake these delicious treats. Lightly flour a clean surface and turn out your dough. Gently pat it down to a thickness of about 1/2 inch. Use a small biscuit cutter, roughly 2 inches in diameter, to cut out your shapes. Place them on a baking sheet and bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes until golden brown. Once baked, let your baby biscuits cool completely on a wire rack. This is crucial for them to set properly and become easy to handle. Before serving, always ensure the biscuits are soft enough for your baby's age and chewing ability. You can store any leftover biscuits in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days. Offer small, manageable pieces as a delightful and healthy snack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.